Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you have Acrobat DC or Pro. Once open, go to Tools, choose Scan and OCR, then click Recognize Text and select in this file. You do this because OCR converts scanned images into searchable, selectable text, so you can search, copy, and export. Make sure any pages that are rotated or crooked are fixed now. Poor orientation will reduce accuracy, and low resolution will produce errors, so correct those before continuing. Once done with the basics, configure settings to improve accuracy. Choose the correct page range, then pick the document language so character recognition matches accents and scripts. Select an output type. Searchable image preserves the look. Editable text enables editing. If pages are noisy, run Enhance Scan first to Deskew, remove Speckle, and set resolution to 300 dpi. This boosts recognition rates. Finally, preview a sample page to confirm characters are detected properly. After OCR completes, save a new file so your original stays intact. Use Save As and append OCR to the name. Then verify. Search for keywords, select text, and open Edit PDF to correct misrecognized words or layout shifts. If you need heavy edits, export to Word or copy text into a text editor. If results are poor, one key troubleshooting tip: improve source quality, run Enhance Scan, ensure 300 dpi. Set the right language, then rerun Recognize Text and compare outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.